Hey, what's up guys? Thomas the Trainer, and I'm going to show you how to establish a serving size. So let's say you cook up a bunch of stuff in your crock pot, or you bake a bunch of chicken on a chicken pan. How do you know how to divide that evenly into portion sizes? So first I'm going to go over the scale method. The scale method is the easiest, the fastest, and the most accurate. However, you need to have a scale that can handle a lot of weight. Most kitchen scales, if you put your crock pot on it full of food or you put a big baking sheet on it, it'll just error because it can't handle that much weight. That's why I use the UltraShip 55. This thing has a 55-pound capacity. And it's a scale I recommend, which you can get on amplifiedfitness.net/store. So let's say this bowl is your crock pot, your baking dish, whatever. We're going to put that on there. It weighs 172. Write that down. You'll write down how much your crock pot or your cooking dish weighs. You cook a bunch of food, you put all your ingredients in there, you cook it. Let's say this is all the food and ingredients. You put it back on the scale. Boom, it weighs 418. So what you do is you take 418 and you minus it from 172. Because again, how much does the bowl weigh? It weighs 172. So 418 minus 172 equals 246. So now you take that 246 and you just divide it by how many servings you need. So, and see, here's what I mean. This is gonna weigh 246 grams. Bam, math, how does it work? So you take that 246 and you divide it by however many servings you need. You know, that's up to you to establish or what your meal plan says. So let's say I need 10 servings. So I take 246, I divide it by 10, and which gives me 24.6, round to the nearest 5, 25 grams. So again, pretending this is food, I'm going to divide this into Tupperware containers and I'm going to put 25 grams in there, and that will make 10 different servings weighing 25 grams. So that's the scale method, guys. Basic math. Weigh your dish, put your food in it, minus the dish, divide by how many servings you need. All right, hope that was helpful. If that doesn't make sense to you, watch the video again. And if it still doesn't make sense, shoot me an email and I am happy to clarify this with you. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, what's up guys? Thomas the Trainer. I'm going to be showing you how to establish a serving size. And this is going to be the eyeball version. So if you don't have a kitchen scale that can handle the scale method, then this is what you'll do next. It's the next best thing. So first off, you get how many containers of how many servings you need. And we're just going to pretend that this is what I need to divide into serving sizes. Yes, that's Coke. Little side note, a trick how to get the stink out of your blender bottles if you don't wash them right away is to put Coke in them and leave the Coke in there overnight and it gets rid of the smell. Anyway, how we're going to do this is I'm just going to start pouring, and I'm going to try and divide this evenly into 4 different servings, which, yeah, way off there. So now I take a look. It's like, okay, these two have way more. And basically, I'm just going to try and balance it all out. Am I there? I'm going to eyeball it. Nope, not quite. This one has more than all the others. All right, now let's see. All right, getting closer, and then I'll just go through and, you know, kind of fine tune a little bit. All right, getting pretty close. There we go. And you know what? You're not going to be perfect, and that's okay. So this is the eyeball method. I do recommend the scale method over this, but this is better than nothing. So that's how you use the eyeball method. Thanks for watching.